Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the difference between manual placement of shapes versus the nesting. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into the program here. Now, like I mentioned, today we're going to be looking at the difference between placing manual or nesting items and what's the main benefits of them both. Now, you might think that perhaps one is better than the other, but this will entirely depend on the workflow and outcome you're looking for. So for instance, if you're running against the clock and you want to get things done fast, you might want to use the nesting, because you can set up quite nice to automatically throw all your shapes in that cutting sheet and so forth. But if you're looking for something a little bit more custom, let's say perhaps you want to have you want to use your actual sheet that you're cutting out of as well, then you want to go manual placement. So let's say you have a word cut out of a sheet, then and you don't want to use the actual stencils that came out, but the actual plate itself. Then you want to use something like manual. And another scenario will be perhaps you want to save a lot of space, where the nesting can save you space, but with the manual, obviously you can manually place and turn shapes the way you like it. Now, there's obviously a debate about which one can save you the most space. I kind of like the idea of going nesting for those scenarios, and then afterwards manually try see if I can make things work a bit better. But yeah, let's just quickly run through the two just so you can have a quick view of them both. So I'm just going to add some flat parts. I'm going to make a circle for the manual, 200 size. And then it's important here, if you're going manual, that you want to go manual quantity and not the quantity nesting. So let's go this one about 5. And then we say add. We see we've got our shape here on the left, and then we can simply go add part, and then you can choose where you want these parts. So like I say, if you want to arrange them in a certain way, that is also good. You can do that, where with the nesting you won't be able to do something like this easily. And then the next thing we've got is the nesting. So let's just add some more parts and make them nest enabled. I'm just going to make some squares. So let's go 200 by 200, and then I'm going to add maybe just 4. So like I mentioned, now it is important that we use the quantity nesting feature instead of the manual quantity. I'm going to say add, and then we've got these now. But you will notice with them selected, we cannot actually add the parts manually. So now we want to go to our nesting tool, let's say start, and you can see now it gives us an option to add them to the actual canvas, and you can adjust them. So this is a quick way to quickly set up, and then like I said, if you can see, it does a good spacing, fits them all in, and depending on your shapes, I'll try rearrange it. So just a quick recap. So one is not better than the other one. It's more for the desired outcome. So nesting is quick, and if you're going for bulk type things, it's also very handy. Where manual, if you're looking for more custom, then it's a good way to go. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the manual adding or placement versus the nesting. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover. And you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.